Assalamualaikum class 7th. Hope you all are fine. Today we'll do exercises of chapter number 7, 8 and 9. Chapter number 7, cannibals. Fill in the gaps with the words from the box. This is the box and these words are given. You have to put these words in the correct blanks. Crusoe saw 5 empty dash. What did he see? Canoes. शोर पे उसने कैनोज देखी थी, 5 एम्प्टी स्मॉल नैरो बोट्स देखी थी ऑन द शोर. Yes, this one, on the shore. Not far from his house. He dashed up the hill to see. He climbed. क्या किया था उसने? क्रूसो सॉ 5 एम्प्टी कैनोज, 5 एम्प्टी खाली कैनोज देखी थी ऑन द शोर, शोर पे, नॉट फार फ्रॉम हिज हाउस. एंड ही डैश अप द हिल. क्या किया था वो? हिल पे क्लाइंब किया था उसने. टू सी हु हैड डैश देयर. हु हैड लैंडेड देयर. ये देखने के लिए कि वहाँ पे कौन आया था. ही लुक थ्रू हिज टेलीस्कोप. टेलीस्कोप से देखा था उसने. And saw that there were at least 30 men. They were dashed round a fire. They were dancing. He saw 2 other men who were dashed, who were prisoners. One was killed and cut open. They were going to dash him, cook him. These men were dashed. Cannibals. These men were cannibals. The second man dashed the chance to run away, seized. He ran dash towards the part of the dash. He ran straight towards that part of the coast where Crusoe's house was. Chapter number 8, My Man Friday. Which of these sentences are true? What is wrong with the false ones? Number 1, Crusoe and Friday went to kill one of Crusoe's goats. This is true. Why is this true? Yes, they did go to kill one of Crusoe's goat. Crusoe फ्राइडे को सिखाना चाह रहा था, वो उसको चाह रहा था कि फ्राइडे इंसान का गोश्त खाना छोड़ दे और एनिमल्स का खाना शुरू कर दे. तो वो एक गोट को पका कर उसको खिलाना चाहता था. ऑन द वे क्रूसो सॉ अ टर्टल एंड शॉट इट. दैट इज़ फॉल्स, because Crusoe did not see a turtle. उन्होंने एक गोट को किल किया था. नंबर 3,